The three-point shot is now there. Now they're connecting rapidly.
Isa sa mga tinuturing na pinaka-consistent at maaasahang key players ng AFP Cavaliers na si Alvin Zuniga.
Isa sa pinakamautak maglaro sa UNTV Cup. May not be the most athletic, may not be the tallest among all the players here in the history of the UNTV Cup. Pero pag sinukat mo yung diskarte at yung tapang, definitely for me, he ranks among the best. Meron siyang tira sa labas, meron siyang penetration, mautak magdala ng bola, maganda yung game read.
Sounds like a long offense.
Mula pa noong Season 1 ay napahanga ang ating mga kasambahay sa never say die attitude ng 5'10" Cavaliers point guard.
Kung titignan natin ang numbers niya, nag-umpisa ng 8 points on the average and scoring niya. 16 lalo na last year nung nag-drive sila sa championship. Ngayon, 11.3. Maraming games kasi wala si Eugene Tan so far. So, ang kanyang contribution malaki. At saka tira siya ng tira kasi mas marami silang malalaki din sila. So, pag nakakatira siya, dahil confident siya makukuha pa rin na rebound. Nagugulat ako, mas mababa yung assist niya. Bumaba na sa 1.6 kasi he's forced to shoot eh. Knocks in a three. The three-point shot is now there. Now they're connecting rapidly.
Well, napakalaking tulong ni Alvin. Pwede siyang point guard, pwede siyang two. So, may shooting guard ako. Yung improvement, nandun lagi. Hindi naman ako, sa kabeterano na yan si Alvin.
At ngayong pasok na sa second round eliminations ng AFP, asahan muling kakasa at magpapakitang gilas ang Rating Fans Choice Awardee. Alvin Zuniga!
Kung meron mang i-improve pa sa game ni Alvin, I think he should also continue to involve his teammates. So leadership is not a problem, and I think you should continue to do that while involving the other members of your team by, again, improving on your assists this season. Zuniga trying to manage the time and the ball as well. And Zuniga capitalizing.
Conditioning lang at saka yung patience. Alam mo naman, minsan may kirian dito sa laro. But overall, I think he is mature enough and one of the more stable players here in the UNTV.
At sa mga susunod pang mga hardcore battles, asahang pangungunahan ni Alvin Zuniga ang matinding pagdepensa sa championship title na hawak ng AFP Cavaliers sa UNTV Cup. Abangan ang inyong mga paboritong hardcore heroes dito lang sa Player Review.
The three-point shot is now there. Now they're connecting.